We have someone really special today on Rendezvous Counter. This is someone not just with great fashion sensibility, but also a great talent to see what can come next up in the trend. Let's meet Priyanka Shah on a segment Rendezvous Counter.
Hi Kappa TV, this is Miss Tourism 2007 Priyanka Shah. I'm a model from Mumbai. According to me, fashion is your style statement. It's something that you should be comfortable in, and it's something that you should enjoy wearing, at the same time look stylish. So it's all about being stylish, being fashionable, at the same time being confident in what you're wearing. My career as a model was a very different kind of a journey. I primarily am an engineer and I was a former captain of the Indian netball team, but being a model has its different perks. I think it's a great profession. You get paid for looking beautiful and for wearing beautiful outfits. So this is the best part of the profession. You look gorgeous, you're wearing the best outfits that everybody wants to wear all the time, and at the same time you get to travel, and at the same time you're paid to do all this. So I think which profession pays you to look great? Before walking the ramp, especially if you're aware, we have a fashion week coming forward. We work out, at least I need to work out. We work out, we ensure our bodies are intact, we take care that our skin looks good, we are well hydrated, we drink lots of water, and at the same time we prepare ourselves with our basic shoes, with our basic attires, so that we look gorgeous, and at the same time we look fit during a fashion week. I think casting couch persists in every profession. It's part of every profession. If you have to ask me, if you're good, you would last anywhere, no matter it's modeling, no matter it's corporate. You just need to be good enough and work hard, be sincere. I think if you're best, you'll always rise. All these are just excuses for not making it. I think the right attitude for a model is to always remember that this is just a phase. This is not the end of the world. This is not the only thing in life. After her, there are some new models who are going to come. So she shouldn't get carried away with the glamour, with the glitz. She should remember that it comes with a lot of hard work. And in future, if she wants to be there on the top, she needs to work hard at every stage of her life. So the journey doesn't end, it only becomes bigger. I've worked with most of the designers in India, right from Hemant Trivedi, Manish Malhotra, Rohit K. Verma, Jatin Kochar, Rohit Bal, Tarun Tehlani, Ritu Berry, Ritu Kumar. There are so many of them, Vikram Fadnis. So I think the list is endless, and I'm looking forward towards working with more and more designers. I've worked in Mauritius, Dubai, Colombo, London, Paris, a lot of places. But of course, I wouldn't say Paris Fashion Week because the criteria over there are different. I would just say that we are unique, we are beautiful. Be proud to have a brown skin, because that's an added advantage when you go abroad. Those people crave and tan themselves so much to have a skin like us. So be happy about being a brown, and it's great to be Indian. Be happy in what you are. Be different. That's your USP.